Hello everyone, welcome to a short update on my new Engage layout. Since the small teaser video I've done, not much has been done on the layout, but I've done enough to make a short update. Firstly, the baseboard is now complete, framework's all screwed down, and also the track's all been nailed down, and the trains run over it fine. I've now started working on the yard, painting the track rusty. I've also started to paint some of the baseboard to give you an idea of what things might look like and where they might go. Over in that far corner, I'm planning on having a hillside with a tunnel we've come around. We've got the road coming into a small town. Then we follow on to the station, and behind that we've got a little storage siding for locomotives, DMUs, and probably at the end of it I'm going to have an old rusty carriage or two. Come around more, we've got the yard. We have an engine shed at the end, obviously, you can see there. At the bottom here we're going to have a couple of old locomotive boilers and an old carriage, maybe grounded body. We have coal stafes and water towers here. Got a small signal box. That's about it really for this small update. Thank you for watching.